Hi everyone. Happy Earth Day. In case you don't know me, she knows me. She knows me well. I'm Jenny, and I am the CEO and founder of the Green Garmento. That young lady was Sadie. Hi everyone. Happy Earth Day. My social media human said, talk about all the good stuff that you've done, and it's okay to be a little what's the word I'm looking for? I don't know, because I'm old now and my brain doesn't work right, but promoting, I guess. And I'm terrible at that. I think I really just want to say thank you for showing up. We're going to be 18 years old, which is crazy. We don't count our wins in numbers, like sales numbers. We count it in reduction of plastic. What we've done to help eradicate single-use plastic, especially in the garment care industry. We do think we've taken at least 4 or not more million pounds of plastic out of the ecosystem just from our reusable dry cleaning bags, just from dry cleaners and customers, just like you, asking to not have any plastic at home. Yeah, it's been a fun ride. I'm just really, really grateful that people are interested and that this conversation has started. People are doing stuff. They're doing their part, even if it's one little thing and nothing to do with us, whatever it is that you can help reduce some waste, lower your carbon footprint and all that stuff. If you have questions or have an idea or, I don't know, something we could be doing better or anything, if you just want to have a conversation, I would love to hear from you. My door is literally always open. And sorry, so I have another voice in my head of like, funny Jenny, who says, that's not what they said in high school, or sorry, it's what I do. It's how I roll. But you can reach me anytime at jenny@thegreengarmento.com. But anyway, thank you for tuning in and love you guys. Talk soon. Bye. Sorry, one more thing. Shlomo did not want to be left out, so. Because nothing says I love you like 121-pound rescue beast. Happy Earth Day from Shlo. My buddy. Oh, sorry.